Welcome to our special segment from the Gates 4 Golf Course Junior PGA in Fayetteville, North Carolina. Today, we will dive into the junior golf to show what amazing opportunities young golfers have. My name is Ute Beltate. I'm your host with American Dream TV. Gates 4 Golf Course is a pristine, semi-private 18-hole championship course in the heart of Fayetteville. Known for its challenging layout and beautiful surroundings, Gates 4 is a heaven for golfers of all ages. Let's meet the director and coach of the Junior PGA League team, Anthony Carstarphen. I'm here with the director and coach, Anthony. Thank you so much for having us today.
You're welcome. Thank you for having me on your program. Thank you so much.
Of course. Just talk a little bit about the legacy of Junior PGA golf here at Gates 4.
Simply, Junior PGA started in 2015 here at Gates 4. It was a carryover from my previous club. So in 2014, the day I left the other club and came here, the very next day, there was no program like Junior PGA or a youth program here. So we kind of elevated, have several things going, and our youth movement is on the rise.
What's your coaching approach?
Simple. My philosophy is to make each person that comes into my way better. Everyone can play great golf. If I had a philosophy, everyone can play great golf. So my teaching style is to make that person better at the fundamentals of golf. And it's not the big things in golf, it's a small thing. Right. So you switch some small things and then eureka, and then they can repeat it. So that's the other thing. If you can repeat it, that's the key to golf. So I'm good at adults, but I'm great at kids. So, I've funneled into the youth program pretty heavy. Awesome.
What about the future? What does the future look like here at Gates 4 as far as Junior PGA?
Junior PGA, we missed 9 holes last year going national. Going to Arizona to win the whole thing in Junior PGA with our all-star, our top players. Right. Some just came off the course and they're under par. So developing golfers, the 2 kids that just came off the course, they're 13 and 14. I want them to go to college and their parents not spend a dime. So those are some of my motives. It's been great. It takes a village to raise kids or anyone. It just takes togetherness, and we have that. I don't know how we got it.
Yes,
in our community, so I appreciate
Anthony, you are a wonderful coach. We love you dearly.
Oh, thank you so much.
You've done a lot for our kids. So
thank you.
Thank you so much for having us here and giving us this great insight on the junior golf world. Stay tuned for more inspiring stories and memorable experiences in the world of golf. I'm your host, Ute Beltate, and I cannot wait for you to join me on my next adventure right here on American Dream TV.